Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Indonesia. I live in a small town near the sea. My town is quiet and beautiful. I am 20 years old. I am a student. I study English every day. I like learning English. It is not easy, but it is fun. I live with my family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father is a teacher. He works at a school near our house. My mother is a nurse. She works in a hospital. My brother is 12 years old. He is a student too. He likes football and cartoons. We are a happy family. On weekends, we like to eat together. Sometimes we watch movies at home. We laugh and talk a lot. My family is very important to me. Our house is not big, but it is nice. It has a living room, a kitchen, and 2 bedrooms. In the living room, there is a sofa and a TV. We watch TV together in the evening. The kitchen is small, but my mother cooks delicious food. My room is small but pretty. There is a bed, a desk, and a lamp. I have a small plant near the window. I like my room very much. I clean my room every morning. Sometimes I listen to music while I clean. It makes me happy. Every day, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make my bed and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast with my family. I usually eat rice and eggs. After breakfast, I go to school. My school is not far from my house. I walk to school every day. At school, I study English, math, and science. My favorite subject is English. I like my teachers and my friends. After school, I go home at 3 o'clock. I take a rest and have lunch. In the afternoon, I read books or listen to music. In the evening, I do my homework. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I help my mother wash the dishes. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Before I sleep, I say a short prayer and think about my day. I have many hobbies. I like listening to music. I listen to music every day. I like soft and happy songs. Sometimes I sing along. I also like reading books. I read simple English books. Reading helps me learn new words. On weekends, I like cooking with my mother. We cook fried rice or noodles. It is fun and delicious. Sometimes I write short stories in English. I want to write a book one day. My favorite food is fried rice. It is very popular in Indonesia. I like it because it is tasty and easy to make. I also like fruits. My favorite fruit is mango. I eat fruit every day. It is healthy for my body. I also like ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. Sometimes I eat ice cream with my brother on Sundays. My town is small, but I love it. There are many trees and flowers. People are kind and friendly. People are kind and friendly. There is a park near my house. I often go there in the morning. I walk and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes I take photos of the sky. I like sunny days, but I also like rainy days. After the rain, I can see a rainbow. It makes me feel happy and calm. My favorite place in my town is the beach. I like to watch the waves and the sunset. It is very beautiful. I have many dreams. I want to speak English very well. I want to travel around the world. I want to visit Japan, Korea, and England. I want to meet new people and learn new things. I know it is not easy, but I believe I can do it. Every day, I learn a little more. Step by step, I will reach my dream. I also want to help my family. I want to make them proud of me. My dream is to have a good life and be happy. This is my story. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed my story. See you again.